Hi, good morning. It's Friday today, and I'm so happy to be learning with you. You are amazing. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Now, I'm going to ask you, what day is it today? I just told you. Today is Friday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday, that's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday, that's right. Awesome. And what month are we in? We're in the month of June. Yes, that's right. Did you see it? June, right there. We're in the month of June. Okay, can you help me read the date? You can? Okay, come on, help me. Today is Friday, June 18th, 2021. Awesome. Now, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2, that's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do they have? At least 2. Yes. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. That's right. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a line. We mark it with the happy face. That's right. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with the line. That's right. Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Let's do some blends. Can you help me read these blends? We're going to do them with the short sound, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. There's Henrietta Hen. Hi, Henrietta Hen. Here we go. Ha, he, ha, 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 he, ha. Super duper. Lucy Lamb. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Bye, Lucy Lamb. Manny Monkey. Ma, me, me, ma. Ma. Ma, ma, me, me, ma. Bye, Manny Monkey. Nestor Ness. Hi, Nestor Ness. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 ne. Nah, super! And there's Peppa Pig. Here we go. Are you ready? Pa, pe, pi, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pi, pe, pa. Super duper duper. There's Queenie Quail. Here we go. Qua, que, qua. Qua, que, qua. Remember the Q and the U are buddies. They always go together. And those are our blends for today. Are you ready for the next activity? You are? Okay. Stop. Look. Listen. Special sounds. We have our orange special sounds today. Okay, remember a special sound can be 1, 2, 3, or more letters. Okay? Okay, here we go. Help me read them. 3 R. Stars. Church. Or. Morning. Ow. Out. 2 sounds. Ow and O. Owl, bull. Verse. Nurse. Bird. Oi. Coin. Oi. Boy. Two sounds. And ooh. Book. Tooth. Word. Worms. I. Night. All. Ball. Uck. Walk. Super duper duper. You are amazing. Yes, you are. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. We are going to see one vowel words. Remember, when there is one vowel in a word, it usually says the short sound. So we mark it with a happy face. That's right. Help me read the words. Suck. Soft. On. Rock. Dog. Doll. Bob. Box. Fox. Hop. Hot. Log. Mom. Todd. Suck. Super duper duper. Okay, now stop, look, listen. We're going to do two vowel words. When there are two vowels in a word, the first one is long and the next one is silent. Are you ready? Boat. Super. Pole. Poke. Loaf. Joe. Home. Hoe. Goat. Soap. Rope. Road. Road. Bone. Cone. Goal. Nose. Vote. Toe. Toad. Boat. Super duper duper. Awesome. Now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. We're going to do our reader. Look, here's a boy, and he's playing baseball. He has a bat, and let's see what happens in the game. Are you ready? Can you help me read it? The game. Win. Team. Win. Bat. It. Joe. Batted Joe. Joe. Hit. It. Run. Joe. Run. His team did win the game. Yippee! Way to go, Joe! Way to go, Joe! Whoopee! Yay! Yippee! 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 Okay, that was fun. Now let's look up here on the whiteboard. It says letters and sounds pages 215 to 218. We're going to do 4 pages today, okay? You can do it. Remember, yes, can. Yes, I can. Okay, here we go. Write your name up here at the top of the page, and it says circle the sentence that goes with the picture. What do we have here? This is a car. Can you drive a car? Not yet. And that's a ham. Ham. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. And here's a bus. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down. Okay, and number 2 says, mark the vowels. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. And now we're on page 216. And we have some special sounds. These are the special sounds we just looked at. Look. Or. R. Ow. And it says, circle each picture with which has the special sound in the box. Okay, let's say the words horse, horse, fork, fork, shirt, shirt. Okay, so circle two pictures that have the same special sound as or. Now we're going to do bird, bird, girl, girl, ball, ball. Now R, bat, bat, arm, arm, jar, jar. Now owl, cloud, bull, mouse. Should we do it one more time? Cloud, bull, mouse. Super duper, you got it. 3 says circle the special sounds. Remember, there might be more than one special sound in a word. And remember that if the vowel is inside the special sound, you don't need to mark it, okay? Now let's turn the page to 217, and it says, circle the correct word. But before you do that, make sure to write your name at the top of the page. You got it. Okay, let's say the word braid, braid, chain, chain, peach, peach, toast, toast, bowl, bowl, road, road, sleep, sleep, hay, hay, roach, roach. And number 2 says, circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. You've got this. And let's turn the page to the last page. Ooh, this is a fun one. Look at this, page 218. You get to do dot to dot and color the picture. So it says, connect the dots by putting the long vowel words in order. Color the picture. And you can read them while you're doing it too. So they're going to start with A, B, C. All the letters are not there, but almost all, okay? So if it skips a letter, that's okay. So just follow it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, no I, J, K, no L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, no X, Y, and Z. Okay? You've got it. And then you can see what's the picture. Because it's summertime and it's almost summer vacation. Okay. We're almost to the end of the school year. You did so good. I'm so proud of you. You are amazing. Now, let's do our growing poem. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. When I started kindergarten, I couldn't have felt smaller, but I've been growing, and not just growing taller. I've learned to read, I've learned to write, I've learned my numbers too. And there's so many things that I have learned to do. Kindergarten's over now, but I am not afraid, because I know I'm ready to enter the first grade. Yay! Teacher Christy keeps wanting to say go at the end, but it's enter, enter, enter. Okay, you are just great. I love you so much. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you next week. Bye.